Samsung is gearing up for its Galaxy Unpacked event, where the much-anticipated Galaxy S24 series will be unveiled. Let's dive into the details of the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 models. Starting with design, both models sport a glass back, metallic frame, and a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus armor. They feature a triple camera setup at the back and a punch-hole selfie camera. The Galaxy S24 has a 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, while the S24 boasts a larger 6.7-inch screen, both offering a 120Hz refresh rate and 10+ support. Under the hood, they're powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC in the US and Canada, and Exynos 2400 chipset elsewhere, paired with 12GB of RAM. Storage options vary, with the S24 offering up to 512GB. Both models support fast charging, with the S24 Plus having a larger 4900 mAh battery. They come with features like Dolby Atmos, Samsung DeX, and satellite communication technology, running on Android 14 OS. The camera setup includes a 50MP primary sensor and a 12MP selfie camera. Finally, the Galaxy S24 is expected to start at €899, with the S24 Plus at €1149, and pre-orders might include special offers like a free storage upgrade or discounts on Galaxy accessories.